be grateful we're still here. Yeah, we're still here for another Merry Christmas. And we're still here with our family and friends. Yeah, we're still here with a chance to make things bright. We're still here for another Christmas. When it all comes around, what could be better than the sound of your loved ones' voices as they gather round the tree? Children happy as can be, wondering where Santa Claus is. Ain't it something to be grateful about? Let's be grateful we're still here. Oh, we're still here for another Merry Christmas. And we're still here with our family and friends. Yeah, we're still here with a chance to make things brighter. We're still here for another Christmas. We're still here for another
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
Come joining us all. The feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go. Caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Wake up with a smile. The feeling is right today. Magic in the air.